we go. Video's on. Today we're out gonna do some updating on my satellite receiver. Here I have my 12-foot, I believe it's a SAMI, S-A-M-I satellite dish. It can operate on C and KU band. Currently I'm operating it on C band. You might wonder what the CD, DVD discs are for. They keep the birds from leaving their messes on my dishes. It works pretty darn good. But I've got my cable here, and I'll straighten them out. I'll need to take and put some new F connectors on and make sure my cables are working correctly. I'll show you my KU band dish that I just got reinstalled a day or two ago. It was a little bit tricky getting in line. I used a trademarked direct TV antenna that's used for satellite internet. Generally I operate just with Part 15 rules and regulations of the SCC. No license is required for low power operations. Pretty much. And in the back you can see my C-band antenna. My wood pile. Birdie flowers here. Butterflies seem to like them. I think the grasshoppers like them too. Restricted area. And the pretty flowers. I'm Wayne Yardley, 407 Mill Street, Golden City, Missouri. Questions or comments, please send them to email address capital R, capital O, capital L, capital M at GCMO, small letters, .com, C-O-M. Thank you for watching.